world is waiting for a coronavirus vaccine, health experts across the globe are studying potential vaccines, some undergoing clinical trials, others with promising results. But here in the country, 2 lawmakers are said to have had first crack at a COVID-19 vaccine. We have our correspondents Joyce Ilas and Caroline Bonkin joining us live. First, Joyce, so did Senator Lacson and House Majority Leader Martin Romualdez really get vaccinated against COVID-19? Tell us that story.
Senate President Tito Sotto says during the September 15 meeting of the House and Senate leadership in Malacanang, House Majority Leader Martin Romualdez told President Duterte that he and Senator Lacson already got inoculated with a COVID-19 vaccine. Sotto says Romualdez did not give any details on how and where they got vaccinated. But Sotto is convinced Romualdez was not joking when he told that story to the president. Sotto says, in fact, even the president got curious about getting immunized. Let's listen to Sotto's story.
Si Martin Romualdez ang nagkikwento kay Presidente. Nandoon ako. And then President Duterte asked me, ako yung nasa kanan niya eh. Sabi niya sa akin, halika, tayong dalawa, testing na tayo, sabi niya sa akin. Sabi ko, teka muna sir, hintayin muna natin silang dalawa. Sabi ko. Tsaka yung mga ibang nagpa-testing, sabi ko, tignan muna natin ang resulta. Baka one of these days, bigla na lang sabihin sa akin ni Ping, who you?
Pio, we tried to reach out to both Romualdez and Lacson, but so far, both have yet to respond to our queries. Yeah?
Caroline, to you now, was the health department able to confirm this? And if true, how did they get access to that vaccine?
Well, we did ask the health department those questions and we didn't get a direct answer. Health spokesperson Maria Rosario Vergere didn't say if they were able to talk to these lawmakers, and there's no direct response either when the media asked if there will be an investigation on this. But Vergere did stress that no vaccine has yet passed the regulatory agency's review, and getting an unregistered vaccine would be too risky because we don't know if it's safe and effective. She said it's very important to consider that this is a new vaccine and many developers are using new technologies. Let's listen in.
Please, antayin po nating matapos ang mga regulatory procedures natin bago po kayo mag-distribute ng mga ganitong bakuna, because we are now talking about lives of people and public health should be protected.
She also warned manufacturers and distributors that they will be penalized for unauthorized distribution. Pia.
Joyce, I understand Senate President Sotto said that this is a personal matter for lawmakers, for Senator Ping and Congressman Martin. Tell us more about this.
Pia, Sotto says or believes that there is no violation committed should a person decide to get a vaccine that has yet to be approved by the FDA here in the Philippines. He says that is actually a personal choice. Sotto then questions why some medicines and vaccines which have already been approved by the FDA in other countries still need to be approved by the FDA here in the Philippines. Let's listen in.
Sabihin mo sa DOH, asikasuhin nila yung trabaho nila, huwag nila pakialaman yung mga senador at mga congressman. Ba't ba nakikialaman nyo yung mga senador at mga congressman? Kami pwede makialam sa kanila. Di ba? DOH sila eh. Porque hindi accredited ng FDA ang isang vaccine na approved at FDA approved sa ibang bansa, dapat wag gamitin ng mga Pilipino. Is that the point that is being issued, being asked? Di ba? Anong klase? Ibang klase yun.
Sotto notes that sometimes it takes years for our FDA to approve some food or medicines. Yeah?
So is Tito Sotto willing to get vaccinated or inoculated?
Pia, that is a different story because Sotto says he's actually scared or afraid to get vaccinated, even with the anti-flu or anti-pneumonia vaccine. For now, Sotto says he would rather exercise caution and just wait for the COVID vaccine to be proven to be 100% effective and safe. He adds that what he really wants to see right now is for a COVID-19 cure to be developed. Pia?
Caroline, my last question for you. You did mention that vaccine has yet to be approved, and that is something that the health department has been saying time and time again. But how soon will the trials begin? How soon will those vaccines be available in the market? How soon will those vaccinations happen? They keep on saying it's going to happen soon. How soon?
Well, it mostly depends now on the communication between the developers and the Philippine government. As of now, China's Sinovac is still the only one which passed the vaccine experts panel review, but the Food and Drug Administration has yet to look at their application. The vaccine experts panel is still reviewing the first two phases of trials of Sputnik V, AstraZeneca, Clover, Biopharma, and Janssen. As to the front runners, Moderna and Pfizer, what we know is the government has ongoing talks with them. The president previously lashed out against companies who are asking for prepayment, but Undersecretary Vergere confirmed earlier that President Duterte already or has given a go signal to give advance payments for vaccines, but the palace has yet to issue the signed executive order on this. Pia.
But we're just hopeful that the vaccinations are going to happen by early next year, middle of next year, or we have no idea.
It still depends on how on the process of the trials of each vaccine in development, Pia. But well, as what our vaccine czar mentioned before, as our officials have mentioned in the previous weeks and months, they're hoping that we could get vaccines for 25 million Filipinos by 2021, Pia.
Joyce Ilas and Caroline Bonkin there reporting. Thank you for that.